So guys, this is the upper bodice. So we just cut out the upper bodice. We cut out 18 by 20 in length. Okay, so this is the upper bodice. So why I made this part 18 is because we are going to be cutting both the front, both the sleeve and the shoulder together. This is the front piece and this is the back piece. I have two pieces here. So first off, we are going to divide our shoulder by 2, and my client's shoulder measurement is my client's shoulder measurement is 17 divided by 2 is 8.5. Okay, let's divide it. 8.5. 17 divided by 2 is 8.5. So we are going to put down 8.5 inches here. 8.5. Then the sleeve is going to be everything is going to be 17 inches. So the sleeve is going to be 8.5 as well, making it 17 inches. You understand? So I added extra 8.5 for the sleeve measurement. So this is 8.5. So this is 8.5 for the sleeve, for the shoulders, and this is 8.5 for the sleeve. You understand? So here I am going to come down here by 1 inch. So the neck depth is going to be 1 inch, while the sleeve, the neck width is going to be 7 inches. It's going to be 7 inches. The neck width is going to be 7 inches because it will have a drop like here. It's going to fall on one side of the shoulder. So here is the sleeve, is the neck opening, that is the neck width, and the neck depth is going to be 1 inch. You understand? Then I'll connect it this way. Can you see the way I connected it? So on this side, I'm going to come down by 1 inch, and it's going to be our shoulder loop. I will connect it all the way to the 7 inches mark. You understand? It's going to serve as our shoulder loop. So from here, I am going to mark the sleeve opening. From here to here is going to serve as our sleeve opening, which is 9 inches. You see, 9 inches is going to serve as our sleeve opening. I'm going to mark it down here. Then next thing we are going to do right now is to measure the length. The length of the upper side of the gown is going to be 18 inches. This is 18 inches. The length of the gown, of the top, that's the upper side of the gown. The length of the upper side of the gown is going to be 8 inches. By the time we remove 1/2 inch for the stitching, for the joining of the down part and the upper side, you will have like 17.5 or 17 inches. You understand? So next thing we are going to do right now is to mark the bust. This is the full length already, 18 inches. We are going to mark the bust 10 inches. That is the bust point. Okay, 10 inches. So from the bust point, we are going to, it's the same line with the 9 inches point. You understand? It's the same line with the sleeve point because we have already removed 1 inch from here. You understand? Making the remaining inches from here to here 9 inches. But if you mark from the shoulder point to here, it's going to be 10 inches. That is why the line we are matched together. So we are going to divide our bust measurement by 4. So my bust measurement, my customer's bust measurement is 41 inches. 41 inches divided by 4, that is 10 and a half. 10 and a half. Then I'm going to add extra 2 inches seam allowance. So we are going to divide our waist. Our waist measurement divided by, my client's waist measurement is 38, divide by 4 is 9 and a half. 9 and a half. The waist 9 and a half, 9.5 plus 2 inches seam allowance. 9.5 plus 2 inches seam allowance. So I'm going to connect from here all the way to here. From here all the way to here, like this. We're going to be cutting out, we are going to cut out this place, cut out this place, and this place. Then we are like so. Here is the front and the back piece. The necklines are the same, you understand, because it's going to have a drop. This is the opening. Okay, this is the opening. This is what it should look like, and this is the opening of the other side. Just place it right side facing right side, like this. We're just going to sew all the way here. Sew all the way here. Join the shoulders with a bias tape. With a bias tape, you join the shoulders with a bias tape. You hem the shoulder, or you can easily hem it this way. Just hem the shoulder together this way and stitch the two sides. This side, hem it this way and this way. Then let's cut the down side, which is the handkerchief style. So guys, this is the material that we're going to, the remaining material that we have for the down side. I don't know if you can understand. This is the remaining material that we have for the down side, you understand? So watch how I'm going to fold it. I'm going to fold it by 2 this way. This is the selvage end. So I'm going to fold it by 2 this way, you see, and I'm going to leave this one, and I'll go take this one on the other end of this side, you see. I'm going to take it together to this side, and you see what we've got, you understand? This is how to fold it. So guys, we have 4 corner here. So we are going to be making use of this one. We are going to be making use of this side. It's in a triangular form. Now, I don't know if you can see it, everything. So as you can see, it's in a triangular form. So we are going to be making use of this side to bring out the triangle. You understand? So this is what we have. So let's go back to the table because I can't cut. After folding it out, this is what it looks like. You understand? This is one side of the flay. It's in a triangular shape. We are going to be marking out the radius. So my customer's radius is 5 inches. So we are going to mark 5 inches in a circle form. 5 inches here. 5 inches in a circle form. So we are going to determine the length of the skirt part of the gown. So we are going to determine, so the length is going to be 24 inches, and I'm going to mark 24 inches here, 24 inches here, all the way in a circle form from this radius down to wherever you want your length to stop. So I'm going to start with 24 inches and I'll connect it like this, 24 inches here, like this. We are going to place it like this, you understand? Change it all the way like this, and I'm going to come down by 8 inches. If you like, you can make it longer. Okay, let me make it 9. So if you like, you can make it longer, shorter, any length. Make sure it's in a straight line like this all the way. The tape, just turn it in a straight line, then mark 9 inches or 8 or 10 or 11. Then you connect it with your ruler. Your ruler is going to do the job right now. Make sure your ruler is in a straight line. So here we have a straight line here. From here all the way to this place is in a straight line, and we have an extension of 9 inches here. So we are going to extend it to this 24 inches this way, and we are going to extend this line to this 24 inches on the other side this way. You see, it's very easy to make. So see what we've got. So we're going to be cutting it out this way, like this all the way, and this way all the way to this side, and we're going to cut out like this, and we have our handkerchief skirt or gown ready. So let's cut. So this is what you've got, and when opened, you see this is one side of it. We have 4 layers, and this is the front layer, this is the back layer, this is the front layer, and this is the back layer. Understand? We have 2 layers of it, and we are good to go. It's very simple. So we are going to be joining this to the top, the upper side that we've already cut out after joining them together. Then I will show you how it looks like after joining them. So before we join the upper bodice to the skirt, this is how I hemmed the neckline and also the shoulder line, you see. So the next thing I'm going to do is to attach a bind. It's going to have a slip bind to it, like a 2 inches band. Okay, something like this. I'm going to attach it to the sleeve, the ending of the sleeve, and I'm going to stitch it this way, and I will do the same for the other side. And once I'm done, I will stitch the 2 sides together. So I'll divide my waist measurement by 2, and what I got, I'm going to place it, and I will shape it to the exact waist of my client. And once I'm done, I will hem the downside of the skirt by half inch fold, and I will stitch it all the way around the skirt, okay, for neat finishing. Then we are done. So guys, I'm going to show you the
final look. So this is how I joined the waist. This is how I joined the waist, and it came out nice. And this is how the I hemmed the down area and the sleeve as well. So I'm going to show you how it looks like after I am done joining everything together, and voila, this is it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.